So I found these in Granddad's toolbox. They're an interesting pair of shears. I'm thinking they're like a old soldering shear or some type of a sheet metalworking shear. I don't know anything about them. And web search pretty much came up nowhere. There's no identifiable markings that I can see on them. They were a total rust ball when I got them. So I took them apart, soaked them out in some baking soda and vinegar for a couple of days, and started cleaning it up. And you can see the pitting is just so far. There's no way to grind that pitting out, sand that out. There'd be nothing left. So I just cleaned up the blades a little bit. I was able to salvage the pin. I had drifted it out and then straightened it up, cleaned it up, and stuck it back together after I got it cleaned up. And you see, it used to have a spring here, but that's rusted into one piece. So if I get this to keep focused, there we go. So I'm not messing with it. Mom says that she remembers these when she was a little girl and working with Granddad in the shop. She said they never did work well. Well, they cut aluminum pretty good now. So, there they are.